We're hanging out. Bug. We're hanging out. Just riding on the Ranger. Just gonna practice doing a little farm tour. So this is where the farm starts. We've got the daddies out there cutting hay. I don't know if you can see, because this is just the little camera, cell phone camera, and my cell phone's cheap. But this is the field. We call that Grandpa's field. And but this is where we start. Got the horse field right here. We don't have any horses right now. We always called it the horse field. And this is the road, you know, nice country road. Gonna be some great biking out here when I'm not working and teaching and farming and whatever. But gonna be some really great biking. So here's the garden. Mom and I collected daylilies, and these are all the daylilies, so they're not blooming yet. They will be soon. The garden's a little small plant wise right now because it's been cold. There's a row of, it's like potatoes and onions, some clover for the pollinators. Oh, Mama grows the best zinnias. So pretty. And then, and if you hear that, that's Cheeto. Cheeto's here. He's staying up near the house first. It's like maybe she got some Swiss chard going on. Maybe. I know she grew that. That might be turnips. Tomatoes are still small because it's been cold. So they haven't really got what they like as far as warmth yet. And there's the garden dog. Sunflower's nice though. And a little lettuce. Been eating salad from the lettuce. I'm not much of a gardener, but I'm gonna grow some lettuce. So right now that's about all there is. She's got some gorgeous rhubarb over here in a little raised bed. Some nice looking rhubarb. And there's the lettuce we've been eating salads off of. That green lettuce is so good and so easy to grow. Anybody should grow lettuce. Once I start doing videos, start doing some gardening videos, some plant videos while I'm not teaching school. And here's one of the daylilies, one of the first ones to bloom. Really pretty one. And here is the house that they redid maybe 20 years ago. I get confused on all. Maybe it hadn't really been that long, I don't think. When my nephew was about 3 or 4. He's in 7th grade now. So, you know, this is the old house. This is the house that we were born in. Possibly the house that my daddy was born in. So it's very old. Very cool. Little yard. The blue car, as my nephews call it. And they go take you, show you a little further down the road. This field right here is another one of the pasture fields. You can see down the drive to what we used to call the Farron house. That's where the pigs were. And then that's basically where the hair sheep are now. Cattle back in the further field. That's about where I started the video. There is a couple of the hair sheep. Little lambs rolling up. So they're all got lambs right now this time of year. So that's one of the things. They're Dorper crosses, mostly Dorper, got some Katahdin in them. So this is just another space. I'm trying to get you some lambs. This is going to be part of where the area that I will be at. This is just a full lot where the bulls go in when they're not out with the cows. Equipment barns. I'll do a separate video of the Cheeto, the little homestead space. But just want to see if I can get you some footage of some lambs. These are a colorful group. Yeah, this is a more of a brown tan. Dorp across you probably has a little more Katahdin maybe. See where we got babies. There the babies are. There's some babies. She's an odd color to you too. Little ram lamb. Girl, here we go. These are the active ones. Yeah, this is a little young guy. Yeah, beautiful mama. A lot of times they have twins. They're just all hanging out. Middle of the day kind of thing. Oh, she's got a pretty set of twins. Kind of a caramel color. Real odd combo on the babies. But, not gonna make this video too long. Just show you the last field I'll show. And, babies get to running. They have lots of energy. It's been raining a lot lately. So everything is green and everything is a bit behind. This is the last field. I'm going to show you. This is just, I think some cattle might be using this some, but this is, got a pond. Used to have a pond back there about where them trees are. I don't know if it's still there or not. But just a nice field back here for the cattle, sheep, whatever. So I guess this is practice video tour number 1. We'll see what I think about it. Thank you for coming in and visiting and touring with me.